Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Toolsempire 43-inch foldable mechanic creeper. There are features include: enhance your garage work with this auto creeper. This car creeper for mechanics features a foldable design that allows for easy storage and portability, making it perfect for workshops with limited space. Equipped with 6 universal casters, it provides smooth 360-degree mobility, enabling users to effortlessly move around and access tight spots. In addition, the rolling creeper is built with a strong 350 pounds loading capacity and measures 43 inches in length by 22 inches in width, offering ample support and space during repairs. The low-profile creeper's ergonomic padded headrest and contoured lying area ensure maximum comfort, reducing fatigue during prolonged tasks. Both sides include handy tool trays, with smaller trays featuring magnetic surfaces to keep essential screws and parts securely within reach. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.